So guys, the first design that I made, guys, is this. So this one, guys, I got it from earrings. Also, this from here, like this. So I am recycling them, guys, most of the time. Sometimes I'm taking something or buying the cheap earrings that I got if I'm seeing a lot of beads in there that I know I can do something with it. I can do more designs with it using the material. So we are going to take it out, and of course we need this, only this one. So I will close this properly. And just attach them together and close. And now we already got a pair of cute sparkly earrings. So it's so cute, guys. It's super easy. And this one, guys, you can just buy this anywhere, the hooks. Yeah, I think it's the hook, what you call. So you can buy this in any hobby stores near you. So and it's so cheap, guys, but it looks elegant when you're already wearing it. So we will set this aside, and we will proceed to the next design. So the next design, guys, is this, the long chained earrings. It's super cute, guys. For me, it depends on you guys, but I will show you how I make it. We only need a chain. This is how long I want my earrings, and then of course again our hook, here it is, and our small beads, and of course our pearl. And this one, guys, and I like it because it already has like this at the edge. So let's start. So first thing is this, put this one in, next our pearl, and also this. Now we're going to cut it. Fold. Now grab our chain. So this is it, guys, and then grab this. So that's it, guys. Our chained earrings. Set this aside. Guys, our next design will be a cute tassel earrings. And then using this, guys, we needed this. So we need a thread, and a small cardboard that I cut. So we are going to make at least 30 rounds. So I decided, guys, I think it's too small, so I decided to add at least 20. And then I'll be making another one in here. So grab this up. So we won't be needed this, guys. Now grab our thread and do this. I hope you can see. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now it's time to cut it down. So guys, actually guys, this design, I saw this from Sis Loves Dayan. You can check out her channel if you want. So I told her I like it so much because I have an obsession with earrings, guys. So I saw it in her vlog, and I saw that she's wearing it, and it's really cute. So, but actually guys, this material of mine is a bit bigger. With Sis Loves Dayan, she has a really cute one, the cuter version. So guys, this is it.